Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of OPPO Reno 3 Pro smartphone. This is the latest and upcoming smartphone of OPPO. So now quickly open the box. Here you can see it comes with 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM. Okay, now quickly open the box. Okay, so in top we get this small box. Let's see what we get inside it. So here we get SIM ejector tool, reading manuals, keep this aside, and this is the transparent TPU case. So you can see the transparent TPU case. And here's the phone itself. Here you can see this is the phone itself. We come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here's the USB Type-C cable. Okay guys, this is the USB Type-C cable, and this is premium earphones. This is the premium earphones, and this is a big charger. I would like to say a big charger. And if we talk about its output rating, here you can see, if we talk about its output rating, okay, it is 5 volt 2 ampere or 5 volt 6 ampere. So it is a super fast charger of 30 watt. Okay, let's keep all this thing aside and come to the phone. Here's the phone. Now remove its plastic cover. So here you can see the phone. It looks great in metallic finish. Here you can see it is in sky white color. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the primary microphone, and here we get the volume up and down key and SIM tray. Let's quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so it is really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot up to 256GB. And if we talk about the bottom, here we get the 3.5mm headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and main speaker. And here we get the power on off button. You can see the power on off button. And if we talk about the back, here we get the quad rear camera. Here you can see we get the quad rear camera, 64 megapixel, 13 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel with the dual LED flash. You can see with the dual LED flash. And in front we get the dual punch hole cameras over here, 44 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio P95 12nm octa-core processor. It comes with 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen. If you talk about the internal storage, it has 128 8GB and 256 8GB internal storage variant available, but 256 8GB is not currently available. And if we talk about the SIM, it has dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot support up to 256GB. And if we talk about the rear camera, it has quad rear camera, 64 megapixel of f1.8 aperture, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel mono. And if we talk about the front camera, it has dual front camera, 44 megapixel of f2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel with depth sense. If you talk about the battery, it has 4025 milliamp hour powerful massive battery which supports VOOC 4.0 30 watt fast charging. And if you talk about the software, it has Android 10 running on ColorOS 7. Dolby Atmos feature is also available, and for security, in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock is also available for better security. So here you can see I have set up the device. This is the UI of OPPO Reno 3 Pro smartphone. So if we slide here, we get the smart assistant, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick settings is available, and brightness setting is also available, which is really good thing. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. You can see, guys, I would like to say the UI is really very smooth. Here you can see the UI of OPPO Reno 3 is really very smooth. This is the brightness setting. Adjust display brightness over here, which is a really good thing. Helpful quick settings is also available. Okay, now quickly go to settings and check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So you can see in storage, so guys, out of 128 GB we get okay, the 15.5 GB is used by system out of 128 GB. You can see system used 14 GB, and you can see the phone storage 15.5 GB used by system out of 128 GB. And here is the clean feature is also available, you can see, which is a really good thing. Here you can see the clean feature is available, clear cache and unnecessary data files. Okay, now I'll quickly go to about phone and check its software info, and here you can see it is running on Color OS version 7 and the Android version is 10. You can see it is running on latest Android version. Okay, go back, and if you talk about the RAM, you can see 8 GB of RAM showing here, octa-core processor, and you can see game space, app cloner and split screen feature is also available. Okay, now quickly go back and check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera, and if we talk about the camera UI, if we tap here we get the settings, and in settings, volume buttons, shutter sound, location, flip selfie, grid, AI scene recognition, watermark feature, and okay, this is a really good thing, the video resolution, it supports up to 4K. Okay, it takes up to 4K. That means you can record video up to 4K, which is a really good thing. Here you can see it records 4K video recording. It has 4K recording video feature available, which is a really good thing. Up to 30 frames per second. Okay, the 4K video recording is up to 30 frames per second, and if you talk about the slow motion video, it is up to 1080p. And if you talk about the video encoding, it is efficient and best compatibility available. Okay, and it is the 64 megapixel camera over here. Just tap here to go in 64 megapixel, and this is the timer. Tap to change settings and frames. Same for this, tap to change settings. And if we go here many filters are available, here you can see, and this is the dazzler color mode, and this is the HDR. Tap to turn, just tap to change its settings, and this is the flash. Same for this, tap to change its settings. And if we slide here we get the video, night, and here we get portrait, and here we get more features. It is the Expert Pro, sticker, pano, time lapse and slow-mo. Just slide up here to get, here you can see this is the bar. Okay, now quickly take a photo in 64 megapixel and check its camera quality. Guys, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. Here you can see the camera quality is really good, no exposure, and if we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color. You can see it takes out natural color. The camera quality is really good. Here you can see, and if we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality. Here you can see we didn't lose the details. If we zoom in, we didn't lose the details. Let's take another photo. It captures really very fastly. Okay guys, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. Okay, now go back and quickly check its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance. And if we talk about the in-display fingerprint, here you can see, Animation comes out, I put the finger and it unlock. Animation pops out, I put and it unlock. Do it again, I put and it unlock. Try it in another way, I put and it unlock. Okay guys, I would like to say the in-display fingerprint scanner is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it unlock. The in-display fingerprint scanner is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it unlock. And if we talk about the face unlock, I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay, try it in another way. I'm not seeing, I'm seeing and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay guys, I would like to say the face unlock and fingerprint performance is really very fast and responsive, no doubts. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Just see and it unlock. So guys, I would like to say the in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock is really very fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of OPPO Reno 3 Pro smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.